Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. I'm going to take up the hobbyKing FLYCAT version 2, one of my favorite sport jets. It's just an unusual jet. It flies great, it's very stable, and just a ball to fly. So let's take her up and have some fun. Got a 4000 HRB in there.
Motor is hot. Don't get your bad self burned.
AR631. Timer set at 4 or 5 minutes. Right, left, up, 3, 1. Flying in my high rates. After the flight,
starting the fun over.
We'll go over all my AS3X settings and all that good stuff. Got a Kia model afterburner side there. I think that's the version 5. Yeah, version 5. Okay. Go down here to the east end of the runway because the wind is out of the west. All right, here we go.
Now up. AS3X mode.
We'll take it out now.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
We're right down the runway here. Take it out.
The gear is down.
Touch and go without a touch.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Braking. Cruise mode.
All right, get her turned around here. Remember, you don't have flaps. All right, here we go.
Now up. The gear is down. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Touch and go.
The gear is now up.
Pass right down the runway. Take it straight up. Snap roll.
The gear is down.
You know what?
The gear is now up.
Do it this way. We'll go back the other direction.
Holds 1. 1 minute. The gear is down. Holds 1. Holds 1. Holds 1. Holds 1. Holds 1. Braking. Holds 1. Cruise mode. Holds 1.
I'm afraid my antenna must have shifted around in there. Alright, let's get turned around here.
Braking. Cruise
We'll try it again.
mode. Motor is off.
Alright.
Safe to pick up.
We had 21 seconds left on a 5-minute flight. Let's take it back to the bench, talk about it. Alright. We had 21 seconds left. Let's go over the flying rates real quick. I was in my high rates. Ailerons are 75% with 30% expo. Elevator 115 with 30% expo. And rudder 100 but with 50% expo to help with that steering. Okay. Don't have flaps. Throttle cuts on, so we go right to forward programming. My gains are one-time gains. Roll, pitch, and yaw are 40, 50, and 60. Priority, all at 100 on roll, pitch, and yaw. Nothing on heading, and this one I don't have the stop lock or the release rate put into it. I don't have that particular receiver updated yet. Alrighty. Had 21 seconds left on a 5-minute timer. Tell you real quick, CG on the plane is 510 millimeters back from the leading edge of the root, which puts it right there. I got it marked. I got 2 glue marks there where I got my battery, and it puts it just about perfect right there. So let's show you battery placement. I got a 4000 basically all the way forward to where it just starts to tuck under the front there. Got a KM model afterburner. This plane has an XT90 connector on it, just so you know. I'm going to unplug the afterburner. Okay. And we'll unplug the battery. Go ahead and take it out. I want to show you this battery. It's tight. Very tight connector. That is an HRB 4000. It's got a 60C discharge. And we had 45% left. So 5 minutes is you can go a full 5 minutes on a 4000 all day long. That little antenna is just my antenna mod. That way I don't have to dig at the canopy with my fingers. I just poke a hole through there, put some glue, take a zip tie, fish it through and lop one end off, and then I make a T with that zip tie. That way it doesn't pull through. And that way I don't have to dig at the canopy with my fingers. One tip, because you have thrust reverse, this hatch here is held in by magnets. I put a piece of packing tape right over here because and you hit thrust reverse, suddenly that back pressure will blow that hatch off. Ask me how I know. So, well, there you go, folks. That is a FLYCAT version 2, 70 millimeter. Great sound, great flying plane. Sounds good. Certainly wonder maybe my fan is out of balance because it doesn't sound as good as the other FLYCAT I had. But we'll see. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all, folks. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, FLYCAT version 270, hobbyKing. Thank you for the FLYCAT. and it's a lot of fun. It's just a great, easy flying sport jet. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.